Good morning, everybody. We're here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. Got it out here, rinsing it out with some cool water. These did get to sit for a little while extra, you know, sometimes life just happens, but that's okay. Still gonna make a very, very beautiful tie-dye, I would argue. Make one even prettier. Certainly we'll lock in our color real well, which is what we want always. Hopefully it did a lot of good transfer through too. Remember, I did want to leave some white, so I didn't do the bottom. I may live to regret that, but for now, we're going to live with it. I think it'll be fine, though. Sometimes I like them when they are all solid one color, you know, all solid color, but most times I like to leave just a little splash of white. That way people know, hey, this isn't a printed design, this is on here. To the inside. Alright, got it inside now. I'm going to start rinsing it out with some warm water. That way we can hopefully start to get it unbanded. Sorry for not moving quite as quick as normal, folks. Trying to make sure you get to see everything. It's not the easiest thing to do on your own. And this color's really locked in too because this shirt sat for about 3 days waiting to be washed out, but I just couldn't get enough time. My baby kept waking up too early. Let's get to unbanding it. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's get it unbanded. Quite a few on this one. That's perfect gradient there. Look at that. Oh, if they could only all be that great. It's really in there. Yeah, this one banded up all sorts of good. We had certainly banded it well. I had certainly banded it well. Sorry folks, old habits die hard. Okay. I think we pretty much got all those bands off there. Got some nice warm water. Hot as I can stand it at least. Rinsing down a little bit. Then we'll see what we got. I think he's just about ready. Let's see what we got. Then we want to get all that out of there. Don't want any dye in our washing machine. At least not any more than needs to be. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty cool. Not too bad, I would say. You still want a shot in there? You want a shot, Miss Fluffy? You want me to shoot it? We can try. Let's see. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Not too shabby. Got some good splashes of color. Left a good little bit of white. Kind of got a little spiral effect to them. Almost like a sunburst type deal. Not too bad. Look at that. See? Kind of cool. I don't know, just wanted to try something a little bit different. I think it came out not too shabby. Got a little muddy right there, but otherwise it looks pretty good. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.